Siren, Siren, how are you, my girl? How are you today? Oh, she recognized me finally, finally. Always in that tree stump. No, in on top of that tree stump. Always. Oh, how are you, my girl? How are you today? As always, Yelly. Very loud. Oh, oh, did you miss me, my girl? Did you miss me that much? Miss me that much? Oh, yeah. Finally. Oh, okay. Some more racket. Look at her. Look at her. If I stop patting her, she's literally yells. Hmm. Now everything is okay. If I don't talk, yeah, she don't talk too. She's literally communicating. My sweet girl. My sweet girl. I know. I know you miss me. I miss you too. I miss you too, my girl. What? More? More? More patting? More affection? Not enough for my little girl. Not enough. Never enough. Yeah, I know. I miss you too, my girl. It's been 2 weeks since I last saw her. And she little bit missed me. A little bit, right? Come on, Siren, eat. Who's feeding you? Every time I fed her, she doesn't eat. Look at them, all eating. Everybody is eating here. Everybody. Also, if you want to support the channel, guys, you can do that via Buy Me a Coffee, link in the description. Thank you in advance and take care.